recording. Hey, gangy. Alright, I think we is just we're going for a little cruise ride today. I just filled up the tank. Just gonna hit up the Stewart area. Oh, my glove. Where's my other one? Oh, there it is. So this is like really like my first time getting used to wearing gloves. I found these bitches. I don't know how I feel about them. I found these bitches from like 10 years ago. Something to fix it. Alright. Oh my god. My fucking visor just came off. What the fuck? That's why I'm done wearing fucking... Bro, what the fuck? Why the fuck is my visor popped off? $5.50. Does it $5.50? I don't seem to be able to do this whole glove thing. Put my gloves on, boom, my visor comes off. How the fuck does a visor come off? Look at that, so many bikes out today. This is gonna be a fun one. Alright, let's start recording. I don't know if you can see me. What's up, gang? We're riding up the Stewart Bathtub Beach just for a nice little cruise ride. There's an accident up there. Some dude just randomly fucking flipped his truck off the grass into a pole. That doesn't even make sense to me. So we're just gonna go for a nice little beach ride. Just something a little cool. I fuck with that Ninja over there too. But I love my bad boy, even though my bad boy is a little beat up. I dropped it over here a little bit once. But this is how it all came. It's kind of fucked, but we'll be on a new bike eventually. Yeah! So welcome to the spot. This is my relaxation spot. Perks of Florida. To be honest, I don't know if I would ever want to move out of Florida. Don't get me wrong, I'm from New York. I love New York, but I heart moms. Hell yeah. That's cool. I ain't never seen what they done to this place before. Do more things that make you forget you have a phone. Yo, that's a great quote. That's crazy. Yo, dubs to this person though. They made some nice shit. I don't have anything to write with. I'll bring out something next time, for sure. Yeah, so this is what we rode to. Just to have a moment of peace. Apparently I speak with a lisp now. Look at this, look at this. Maybe not. Yeah, I can distract. Oh shit, I just need the fuck out of the camera. Oh no, we falling. You just see my feet hanging in the water. I don't know, this is just peaceful, bro. If you have a bike, definitely suggest you come ride out here. It's a great spot. I'm gonna start making more videos like this, just like going to nice spots and just relaxing. I don't ever get to do this on my own. Someone tell Dumb and Charles to come back, man. I'd love to bring him on this shit. Do not touch me on my bike. Serious injuries may require. I think I'm more able to get injured over here than I am on my bike. Hey, don't hit my car, bro. That's in my car, my bike. Don't hit my bike, bro. Alright, there's a family trying to come over here. I'm gonna let them enjoy this spot. Alright, let's get back on the road. Before we get back on the road, I wanted to show y'all this. Look at this shit. This is kind of all closed down. There's not really people that come out here. There's a little chunk, but look at that view, man. That's fucking sick. I wish I brought some of this shit. Why not cook a stand?